Since I was born and now I am getting old, I have never seen a birthday party like the one Obi Cubana performed at 50. In case you are just joining, you are highly welcomed to Obi Cubana's 50 years birthday. Do you think you can eat? What type of meat do you want to eat? Cow, crocodile, fish, monkey, lion, name it. Anything you think you want to eat, Obi Cubana have it. You can see different types of dishes: German cuisine, Italian cuisine, Spanish cuisine, Igbo cuisine, Yoruba cuisine, Hausa cuisine. Name them, Obi Cubana have it. Now this is the entrance of Pretty Mike of Lagos. He is a socialite. I hope you guys know him. There is no occasion performed in Lagos, even outside Lagos, that you are not going to see Pretty Mike of Lagos with a different costume. You can see him. This is the entrance of Pretty Mike of Lagos into Obi Cubana's 50 years birthday. He always come with different costume, different attire to different occasion. But this is a birthday. Why are they all dressing on bandage? Why are they all wearing bandage to Obi Cubana's birthday? This is terrible. So what do you think is behind this costume? Is he trying to portray the present situation of Nigeria, the present happenings in Nigeria? You guys know that Nigeria is currently bleeding. There is a lot of killings around Nigeria. Is he trying to showcase the current situation of Nigeria? Or is there any spiritual connotation with this? I don't know. Okay, these are one of those gifts presented to Obi Cubana at 50. And he called Cubana chief priest to watch the watch. And according to Cubana chief priest, that watch worth $10 million. Imagine, you are being given a gift, a wristwatch that worth $10 million on your birthday. Not even a house or a car or catch, but a wristwatch that worth $10 million according to Cubana chief priest. You are wearing somebody's lifetime salary on your hand. You know, people thought that Obi Cubana is through with celebration because you guys saw what he did when he was doing his father's burial at Anambra. People thought that was the end of the celebration, but they never knew that that was just the beginning. Before the birthday party started, Obi Cubana gave out 50 keke to 50 people to commemorate his 50th birthday. These Igbo boys, their 50th birthday have suddenly turned to Nollywood movie. You can see, this is one of those people that don't fail to grace your birthday or any of your occasion, most especially those done by Igbo people. This guy, he is always at every occasion, and whenever he is going to any occasion, he comes with a special gift or a special item. Okay, you could imagine what he gave Obi Cubana. What this guy gave to Obi Cubana amazed everybody that graced this birthday party. Do you know what this guy gave Obi Cubana? This guy gave Obi Cubana the sum of 100 million naira with a special wine. You can see him. He is about to start his magic. Anytime he is going to any occasion, watch him. He always come with a special presentation, special gift. Whatsoever he is coming with is always special. You can see him. Look at those black boxes. Do you know what is inside? Now he is about to start the presentation. Watch him. Watch very closer. I don't know where this guy came from. He always take everybody unawares. He's about to start his presentation. He is about to open the first box. Let us see what is inside. He's about to open it. Pay close attention to what this guy is about to do. He has lifted it. He is about to turn it. Can you see what is happening? The first box contains 10 million naira. That is what is inside. 10 million naira. He is just turning it. You could imagine. I don't know where this boy came from. This guy. I don't know where he came from. He's always like this. You can see it. 10 million naira. That is what he gave to Obi Cubana instanta. He turned it inside the big box. He has lifted the second one. And this one is 20 million naira. You can see. I don't know where this guy came from. Any occasion that he attends with a special gift. A gift that nobody in that occasion will present to the celebrant. Henceforth, I want you guys to pay attention to this guy. Any occasion that he is attending, he comes with a special gift. This is the third box. You can see it. This is the third one. He's about to turn it. And it is now 30 million at a spot. At a spot. He is giving to a billionaire, because Obi Cubana is a billionaire. If you don't know, he is a billionaire. One of those billionaires in Anambra State. That is who Obi Cubana is. And now, somebody is giving him 40 million at a spot. 40 million. This is the fourth one. 40 million. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? He has lifted the fifth. Okay, he's about to lift the fifth one. Look at money. Ego. Look at money. Look at money. This is the fifth one. 50 million. 50 million. Imagine, you go and fetch water from a tap and you are pouring the water in River Niger. That is what this guy is doing, because Obi Cubana is a bujo. One of the bujos we have in Anambra today. And look at 50 million at a spot. 50 million at a spot. I think he's about to lift the sixth box. That's what he's about to do. This guy is something else. This guy, who is this guy? Who is this guy? This is not the first time I am seeing him in occasions. Who is this guy? He has ordered Obi Cubana to sit down. That he's not done with his gift presentation. Obi Cubana, sit down. Money is talking. But who is this guy? Come on, who is this guy? He has started again. This is the sixth one. And it is worth 60 million. 60 million at a spot. Who does that? Where is this guy from? Okay, he is about to make another presentation. I think this is a drink presentation. You know, he is known with presenting of wine. Yes, that's one popular thing he comes with at every occasion. Any occasion that he is going to, you must see him with a special wine. Now this is dollar presentation to Obi Cubana. Dollar presentation. They are done with naira presentation. Now what they are now doing is what? Dollar presentation. And this is what? $1,000. $1,000. Stay tuned. He will still continue. Stay tuned. He is not done, because soon he is going to present the seventh box, which contains 10 million naira. And when you add it up, you are going to get what? 70 million naira. That is what somebody's. Yes, this is the seventh one. 70 million naira. That is what somebody is giving a billionaire. A billionaire, if not in dollars. Because Obi Cubana should be a billionaire in dollars. One of the billionaires you have in Anambra State today. You fetch water from a tap or from your jerry can, and you are turning the water into Atlantic Ocean. That is what this guy is doing. He is turning water from the tap, from a jerry can, into Atlantic Ocean. You can see this is another wine. The second wine presentation. Now he has started again with presentation of cash. I think this should be okay. 90 million. The ninth one. 90 million. 90 million. Who is this guy? Where is this guy from? Obi Cubana, you should not take this money. Hand this money over to the motherless baby. The way Davido did, I think that was last 3 or 4 years when Davido was doing birthday And Davido made up to 250 million at a spot on his birthday. And today you can see Obi Cubana. This is 100 million, the 10th box. 100 million, that is what this guy gave to Obi Cubana. Imagine 100 million at a spot. He has always graced people's occasion with wine, but he decided to come with money on Obi Cubana at 50. E-money, P2P, men them. Cubana chief priest, men them. Men them. AY, men them. Bujos. You can see people that graced this occasion, including Pastor Jerry Eze and so on. Obi Cubana at 50. I wish I was there, but I was never invited. This is Charles Obocha. Men them. I wish I graced this occasion. Can you eat meat? According to people that attended that show, they said Obi Cubana wanted to kill people with meat. Crocodile, monkey, lion, cow, goat, fish, dolphin, name them. This is when dignitaries are coming to the occasion. You can see, this is when Obi Cubana is coming with his family. I wish I was there. What an occasion.